Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the display brightness here at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. Yeah, for that just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have this bar here. No? And if you reduce it a bit, tap here, and if you want to increase it, just tap here. And yeah, you have changed the brightness level. On the 3 points here, you can also enable the point adaptive brightness, because the camera can recognize the area and can give you the recommended brightness level for that moment. So pretty nice. You should enable this one here. And after just going done, and the tablet will give you always the best brightness here. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on if you're interested in. Yeah, or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.